Smart Insert Molding Production Line. Automated smart production lines that combine smart injection molding machines, industrial robot arms, self-developed human-computer interaction, HMI, injection computer-aided manufacturing, ICAM, and injection manufacturing execution system, IMES, Central Control Production Management. Automation system for making interdental brush. This semi-automated molding facility makes interdental brushes. The main molding machine is a 150-ton multi-component standing 3-station rotary tower machine with a semi-automated system. The first component is molding the hard handle. The second component is molding the soft brush. Using the central rotating tower, the first component hard handle is moved to a second location where the second component soft brush is molded. Finally, the product is moved to a third station for the operator to collect. The mold has a 4-cavity design, producing a total of 20 pieces. Compared to traditional types of molding machine, the production cycle time is reduced from 50 seconds to 25 seconds. A 50% increase in processing efficiency, with a production yield greater than 99.9%. Automation system for making hand tool product. This smart automated molding facility makes hand tool products. The main molding machine is an 85-ton standing 2-station turntable machine with automated system. It uses an XY servo moving platform and pneumatic devices to pick up components. 3 sets of automated clamps are fitted on the moving platform. One grabs and places steel balls. One verifies the steel balls are placed in the mold cavities, and the other grabs and places the product. Finally, the product is placed on the conveyor. The mold is a 4-cavity design. Compared to traditional molding machines, the production cycle time is reduced from 80 seconds to around 36 seconds, a 55% increase in productivity, with a production yield greater than 99.9%. Multiplas was founded in 1988 and specializes in the development and manufacture of injection molding machines. The company's headquarters are in Taoyuan's Huaya Technology Park, with a factory in Zhongli and one in Kunshan in mainland China. Multiplas provides customized injection molding equipment and system solutions. The product's main applications cover the 3C, cell phone, and automobile industries. For example, automotive electronics and seals, adapters, household appliances, and micromotors. Customers affirm the quality of Multiplas products, and the company is a designated supplier for many smartphone and headphone companies. Multiplas employs over 40 engineers, who make up close to 1/4 of all staff. The company holds more than 60 patents and was chosen to join the Industrial Development Bureau's Smart Machinery Industry Program. Multiplas has modern plants with well-planned production lines to assemble machines in modules. With a consistent production process, the platform completes all tasks from machining, assembly, inspection, packaging, and shipment, all in the same factory area, ensuring that delivery is fast and accurate. The company has advanced CNC production equipment and has a high percentage of self-made equipment. ISO 9001 quality management system and CE certification ensures all equipment is of the highest quality. Multiplas, best provider of insert and specialized injection molding technology and equipment.